Hello everyone. Today we will start chapter 2 sectors of the Indian economy. The word sectors means different division, different parts of our Indian economy. In this chapter we will study about sectors of Indian economy. Look at the pictures. You will find that pupils are engaged in various economic activities. The word economic activities means the activities which are done by the man and woman to earn some money is known as the economic activities. Some of these are activities producing goods, some others are producing services. You can see in the first picture, two people, they are making bricks from soil. So they are producing something. In second picture, a shopkeeper is selling clothes. She is not producing any goods, but she is providing service. In the next picture, you can see a postman is giving letter to a person. So in this picture also, postman is producing some service. He is not producing good. He is providing service. In the next picture is the picture of coolie. He is also doing services. In the last picture, you can see two women are doing some work in the cotton field. So they are producing something. They are producing goods. So some people are engaged in providing services. Some pupils are producing goods. These activities are happening around us every minute, even as we speak. How do we understand these activities? One way of doing is to group them, classify them using important criterion. These groups are also called sectors. There are different type of activities performed by different people. These activities, they have their own feature. They are different from each other. So to study about these activity, the first important thing is we have to classify, we have to group them into different categories. These categories are called as the sectors of Indian economy, the different categories of the economic activities. There are many activities that are undertaken directly using natural resources. Take for example the cultivation of cotton. It takes place within a crop season. For the growth of the cotton plant, we depend mainly but not entirely on the natural factors like rainfall, sunshine and climate. The product of these activity, cotton, is a natural product. Some economic activities are directly linked with the they are directly dependent on the agriculture, dependent on the natural resource. So like for example, agriculture. In agriculture also, pupils, they are dependent on the natural factors like rainfall, sunshine and climate for their production. The product of this activity, cotton, is a natural product. Similarly, in the case of an activity like dairy, we are dependent on the biological process of animals and availability of the fodder, etc. The product here, milk, is also a natural product. Similarly, minerals and ores are also natural product. When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of primary sector. The first sector of our Indian economy is the primary sector. In primary sector, workers are directly dependent. They are dependent on the natural resource for production. They are exploiting the nature for producing goods. For example, like in agriculture, people are dependent on the different natural process, natural factors like rainfall, sunshine and climate. In the dairy production also, workers are dependent, pupils are dependent on the process of biological process of animals and the availability of fodder, etc. Mining also comes under the primary sector because in mining, workers are extracting the resources from the nature by the process of mining. So these comes under the primary sector. Why primary? This is because it forms the base for other product that we subsequently make. The word primary is the basic thing which provide base to something. So agriculture sector, in the agriculture sector, mining are called as the primary sector because they provide base to the other activity. Since most of the natural product we get are from agriculture, dairy, fishing, forestry, this sector is also called agriculture and related sector. Primary sector is also called as agriculture and related sector.